8 AI tools that every real estate agent needs in order to save time. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here at the Apex Group, and I was a personal hater of AI. I thought it was going to be another clunky thing that we had to learn. I was going to spend months learning about it, have all these subscriptions to all these platforms, and it was going to be costing me some more money and literally providing no value. Then I went to a couple seminars, couple courses, and dove headfirst into it, and have personally had a massive gain, not only in my business, my life, but I've also been netting more money because I've been able to erase certain expenses that were costing me more than what the overhead charges are for some of these AI tools. And the best part is a lot of these AI tools are actually free, or you're already using a product that has them. So if you're a real estate agent, you're going to want to dive into this video. And if you're someone that wants to start taking advantage of AI tools, like me personally, the biggest gain I've seen is in my content creation, where I teach people how to use artificial intelligence to create better content to generate more leads. If you want to learn that, you want to go to the description and take my course and sign up, because I teach you step by step on how to actually get a full calendar and generate leads using social media from artificial intelligence. The first one is going to be AI content enhancement. So don't worry about thinking that you have to look directly at the camera anymore when you're giving videos. I know for me and my business partner and everyone else that's wanting to create video content, they want their scripting to be perfect, and they write these beautiful long scripts, and they're never able to deliver them because they need to look at their computer or a teleprompter the whole entire time in order to say it correctly, which has them looking over here and talking for most of the video and looking back and talking, going this way, looking, and it just ends up getting them all fuzzled and not being able to deliver it. Where now, with this tool, you can look directly to the side and it keeps your eyes facing onto the camera. The next is going to be Zapper integration with ChatGPT. So I've been using this in terms of my Gmail, where I get replies from clients all the time where I just don't know what to say. And I'm wasting all this time. I'm on the go. I got to go really fast. I'm going to my next appointment. This person is wanting a response as soon as possible. That's the number one complaint about real estate agents, is they never got back to me. We're now, with syncing this with ChatGPT and my Gmail, I'm able to automate responses that goes to my draft. I just read on it, edit it, and then I just have to press send. So it takes me less than a minute to reply to certain emails. And because I've trained ChatGPT to speak like me, understand my real estate business, it knows how to respond to these clients in that time, cutting down me not actually getting back to people till way later. That ChatGPT does these responses for me instantly. So if you're someone that wants to learn more about how to use ChatGPT and these functions and train it to understand your business, well, then you're going to want to take my course. The link is in the description for you to sign up. The next one is going to be multimedia magic. So this is a tool that gives the ability to manipulate video and picture content. You can either add elements or remove unwanted elements. I don't know how many times I recorded a video and I wish I would have been able to add something in there just to spice it up at the very end, and not really able to. You got some of those platforms that you can add some really good B-roll or some of that stuff in place, but they just take it to the next step or remove stuff, you know what I mean, from the background or from certain places, which used to be very difficult to do in videos. And just the next one is taking that another step further, which is Adobe Firefly. This tool is absolutely unbelievable, the type of images that it can create, and everyone needs to dive into this. It's a massive time saver with just being able to prompt it to give you images that you are actually wanting as a real estate agent. And for all the people that are big content creators and think you got to get a professional mic, you got to have a nice setup, you got to have an actual mic right here and there for people to understand what you're saying, well, don't worry about that. You no longer have to spend on all those tools with Adobe Podcast Enhancer. So this AI tool enhances your audio so it sounds like you're literally speaking into the best podcasting mics. The next one we have is a voice cloning tool in 11 Labs. Where now, say if you mess up on a part or you do something, you can put in your voice into this application and you can create audio recordings directly from it, cloning your actual voice. Where you'd use this is sometimes when I'm filming videos, I think I've had a lot of good takes in there. Then when we actually go to edit it, it's like, nope, the best take, you messed up on these certain parts, and I wish we would have been able to redo that clip. You're able to plug my voice into 11 Labs, redo the audio, and put it into the clip so we don't have to refilm it and take a whole bunch of extra time just to deliver one single line. The next tool is CapCut. Sticking with the content creation game and trying to deliver the best product you can to your clients, which can be really differentiating you from someone else, is look how much more professional and better my audio sounds and better my editing sounds. That's what's going to get you listings, especially when you're competing against other agents. So CapCut is a video editing tool for smartphone, which has AI features that's going to enhance your social media marketing. And I wanted to give this one because I feel like AI this AI product was made directly for me, and that's Descript. Gone are the times that you have to be a really technologically advanced or know a lot about editing in order to actually edit a video. On Descript, it's just like using a Word document where you can plug and play and erase words in there, and it has AI functions that detect when you keep saying in certain parts where it can automatically edit that stuff out for you. It also has a really good audio enhancer tool in there as well, and you can do a ton of different visual effects, and it's just all around probably the best video editing application for AI that's out there. And for all the people that are watching this video, don't try to master every single one of these tools. Pick one that you think is going to apply the most to you. But if you're a real estate agent and you want to see what are going to be the best AI tools and the ones that are actually going to add more money to your business, well, then you're going to want to take my course. The link is in the description. I can guarantee you're going to see a massive amount of growth in your real estate business just taking this course, and it's going to lead to you actually getting more sales. How do I know this? Because I'm not just some phony person trying to sell you some AI course that hasn't actually sold a home. I'm in the trenches. I'm doing the prospecting on my Google ads, my Facebook calls. I'm going on the listing appointments. I'm meeting new buyers. I'm doing showings. I'm in the trenches with everyone else. And these AI tools have made me more efficient and led to me getting more deals. And I feel like I have to share this with every single real estate agent just with how much it's personally changed my life and my business. So go to the link, sign up. You're going to get a ton of value from taking the course.